Hello, my name is Angela Chandler and I'm the National Sales Manager with Infinitus Canada. And today I'm going to talk to you about what is traditional Chinese medicine. And a quote that we know is everything that appears in the physical realm is always connected with energy flow at the invisible level. And this was quoted by Nan Lu. Traditional Chinese medicine is a massive topic that cannot be taught in one session. Today, we'll be talking about the basic principles in hopes to help you to begin to understand how TCM works and the reasoning behind it. Traditional Chinese medicine, or TCM for short, is an ancient form of healthcare that is thousands of years old and includes natural treatments such as acupuncture, herbal remedies, dietary advice, stress and emotional support, exercise including Tai Chi and Qigong, and treatments such as cupping and moxibustion. TCM is one of the oldest and most renowned forms of ancient medicine in the world, and it is returning quickly in popularity. TCM practitioners look to treat the root cause of disease and take a holistic approach to helping people experience complete healing without the use of conventional drugs. Over the past several decades, Eastern alternatives, which is also called complementary or integrated medicine practices, have continued to be adopted by conventional medical establishments in the U.S. and other Western nations. The Department of Complementary Alternative Medicine at the Medical University of South Carolina reports that according to a study of 3,200 physicians conducted by Health Products Research, more than 50% of physicians in the U.S. plan to begin or increase the use of alternative medicines, including those rooted in traditional Chinese medicine, within the following year. More and more medical schools are now recognizing the importance of training students and staff in mind-body practices that emphasize disease prevention and holistic treatments. Although some physicians and patients tend to be skeptical about the effectiveness of many TCM practices, research continues to show that complementary modalities can make a big difference in many patients' quality of life. Several of the advantages that traditional Chinese medicine has to offer include a high level of patient compliance, which is often due to the patients noticing improvements in their symptoms very quickly. Reduced stress levels, natural pain management, improved sleep, stronger immunity, and decreased need for medications. Traditional Chinese medicine is holistic and natural because it stimulates the body's own healing mechanisms and takes into account all aspects of a patient's life rather than just several obvious signs or symptoms. TCM practitioners view the body as a complex network of interconnected parts, so part of a larger concept known as Qi, which you may have heard of us speak about before, rather than separate systems or organs. According to the University of Maryland Medical Center, traditional Chinese medicine treatments aim to correct imbalances in the body and it primarily works in three major ways: addressing a patient's external factors and environment by helping patients relate to their internal emotions in a healthier way, including managing stress; improving someone's lifestyle factors, including diet and exercise routine; and their organs that are especially focused on during TCM treatments, which include the kidneys, heart, spleen, liver, lung, gallbladder, small intestine, and large intestine. Depending on the specific type, the benefits of TCM therapies range considerably. Some of the health problems most commonly treated with traditional Chinese medicine therapies include chronic pain, arthritis, fatigue, infertility, liver disease, headaches, indigestion, hormonal imbalances, high blood pressure, PMS or menopause symptoms, and that's just to name a few. There's different traditional Chinese medicine therapies, and some of them you may be already aware of. So acupuncture, which helps lower pain and improve hormonal balance and combat stress. A cupping therapy, which is used for pain management, improving immunity, and helping with digestion. Herbal medicine, which is used to control inflammation, fight free radical damage, and boost liver function. Nutrition for preventing deficiencies, boosting energy, and improving detoxification. Exercise, including qigong or tai chi for flexibility, strength, and concentration. Massage, soft tissue manipulation for improving blood flow, one of which is called tunao, and moxibustion, which is the burning of an herb near the skin. TCM was mostly practiced in Asia and not commonly known of or studied in the United States until around the 1970s. Since Eastern practices such as yoga, meditation, Tai Chi, and acupuncture started to gain notoriety in the media during this time period, hundreds of studies have investigated the health effects of such modalities. Traditional Chinese medicine draws on the belief that qi, which is roughly translated to vital energy, is essential for overall health. Qi is said to circulate throughout the body along pathways called meridians, and proper qi is needed to keep all systems in balance. Meridians are utilized in many TCM practices, including acupuncture and acupressure, which focus on treating specific meridian points throughout the body that can be located anywhere from the head to the soles of our feet. Meridians are believed to be connected to specific organ systems, and therefore focusing on certain meridians helps resolve specific symptoms. According to TCM, restoring qi can be beneficial for preventing diseases from developing and treating existing inflammation, injuries, pain, or illnesses. Another concept that's vital to traditional Chinese medicine is yin and yang, defined as opposing but complementary energies. You might be familiar with the yin and yang symbol, which is a circle that's half white and half black with smaller circles inside, which is used to represent the concept of all of Earth's opposing forces, including hot and cold, winter and summer, energy and rest. It is believed that, like qi, yin and yang negatively affect your health when they're out of balance and one is more dominant than the other. So a primary goal of TCM treatment is to restore their equalizing relationship. Chinese herbal medicine is a major part of traditional Chinese medicine. It has been used for centuries in China, where herbs are considered fundamental therapy for many acute and chronic conditions. Chinese herbal therapy has its roots in a traditional medicinal text called the Materia Medica. Thousands of different herbs, minerals, teas, tinctures, and other extracts are listed in this text and utilized by trained herbalists depending on a patient's specific symptoms. Chinese herbs focus on helping to correct dysfunction of certain organs and unhealthy body patterns. The goal of herbal therapy is to bring the body back into a state of homeostasis or balance and restore proper energy, also called qi. Patients with many different symptoms can be treated with herbs, including those with frequent colds or the flu, fatigue, chronic respiratory issues, allergies, chronic pain, anxiety or depression, trouble sleeping, menopausal symptoms, and some scenarios that make a patient a good candidate for herbal therapy include having more than one unexplained symptom, feeling fatigued on top of having other symptoms, not responding well to medications or experiencing side effects, feeling anxious or depressed, in addition to having other symptoms. So the benefits of traditional Chinese medicine. The Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine reports that traditional Chinese medicine practices, including herbal treatments and the use of medicinal mushrooms, can have positive antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-apoptic, and autophagic regulatory functions. This translates to lowered levels of oxidative stress and inflammation, thereby protecting cells, tissues, and organs from long-term disease development. And inflammation is at the root of most diseases and tied to the majority of common health problems, including heart disease, autoimmune disorders, cognitive impairments, and diabetes. Herbal treatments can help patients overcome a variety of harmful lifestyle habits related to inflammation, such as cigarette smoking, overeating, resisting chronic pain, chronic stress, and alcohol-induced liver damage. And certain treatments are capable of lowering the body's fight or flight stress response, which helps patients manage the effects of chronic disease or chronic stress, which can induce poor sleep and hormonal imbalances. Research conducted at Toronto Western Hospital has found that Tai Chi contributes to chronic pain management in three major areas: adaptive exercise, mind body interaction, and meditation. Trials examining the health benefits of Tai Chi have found that patients often experience improvements in several pain conditions, such as osteoarthritis, fibromyalgia, and lower back pain. Research also suggests that certain adaptogen Chinese herbal medicines contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can change the way that the nerves transmit messages to the brain, improving various functions within the endocrine and central nervous systems. This helps naturally improve the body's healing abilities and helps balance hormones, including cortisol, insulin, testosterone, and estrogen. In an animal study conducted by the Department of Food Science and Nutrition at Zhejiang University in China, it was shown that reishi mushroom supplementation helped lower symptoms of diabetes. And by reducing the body's stress response, TCM therapies like acupuncture, Tai Chi, and massage therapy can also be beneficial for treating hormonal imbalances. Even in the West, massage therapy has been recommended for diabetes for over 100 years, and various studies have found it can help with other hormone-related conditions by inducing relaxation, raising energy levels, helping people become more active, reducing emotional eating, improving diet quality, and improving sleep. Herbal medicine and nutrition are important aspects of TCM since a poor diet can directly contribute to liver damage, and the liver is one of the focal organs in Eastern medicine. The Traditional Chinese Medicine World Foundation explains that TCM views the liver as the organ responsible for the smooth flow of emotions as well as qi and blood. It is the organ that is most affected by excess stress or emotions. TCM therefore draws a link between liver damage and illnesses like obesity, fatigue, indigestion, emotional stress, trouble sleeping, and much more. A diet and herbal treatment plan that follows traditional Chinese medicine guidelines is one that's very similar to eating an alkaline diet, helping to restore the body's proper pH and preventing deficiencies of key minerals. Stress reduction, exercise, sleeping proper amounts, and many herbal medicines are used to treat liver problems. Adaptogen herbs, including the reishi mushrooms or cordyceps, are commonly recommended to improve liver function and help prevent liver disease. A 2013 study published in the International Journal of Medicinal Mushrooms found that reishi induces hepatoprotective effects on acute liver injury because it contains antioxidant properties. So it also helps protect cognitive health by way of reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Chinese herbs can help protect the brain health and memory. Cognitive disorders, including dementia and Alzheimer's disease, are linked to heightened inflammation, free radical damage, an inability to use glucose properly, vitamin deficiencies, stress, and environmental toxins. Therefore, an alkaline diet, herbal supplements, exercise, proper nutrition, and reducing stress may help control the body's immune response and regulate hormones that protect the brain. According to a 2007 report published in Clinical Interventions in Aging, there's been a long history of research where medical practice in dementia in China, during which the ancient Chinese people have formed a whole theory and accumulated abundant experience in the treatment of dementia. In recent decades, it's been shown that a growing number of clinical studies that certain herbal extracts, including Glycyrrhiza, atractolides, rhubarb, ginseng, fructus lychee, polygala, angelica, and safflower, serve as expectorants and promoters for blood circulation. Medicinal mushrooms have also been shown to help decrease the amount of toxins or heavy metals that can accumulate within the body, therefore promoting higher energy levels, better concentration, improved memory, and better quality sleep. All important for a sharp mind and mood control. Coupled with other holistic treatments that promote well-being, they may help prevent and treat many common age-related cognitive disorders. Overall, multiple studies suggest that various treatments prescribed in TCM may benefit cognitive health for a number of disorders like Alzheimer's, dementia, and Parkinson's disease. Preserving muscle strength, flexibility, and balance. Harvard Medical School reported that a regular Tai Chi practice can help address several core benefits of exercise: boosting muscle strength, maintaining flexibility, increasing and sustaining balance, and sometimes even proving an aerobic workout that's important for your heart. Studies conducted by Harvard researchers have shown that 12 weeks of Tai Chi practice can help patients, especially those who are older or might have limited abilities, build a healthy body, a strong heart, and a sharp mind. Massage therapy, acupressure are also beneficial for improving muscle recovery and helping prevent injuries. Massage practices rooted in TCM date back thousands of years, and ancient medical texts show that practitioners living in pre-dynasty China used massage to alleviate common aches and pains and improve the flow of qi energy. Deep tissue massaging helps bring blood flow to muscles and strained tissue, lowers the body's stress response, and stress makes recovering from injuries a lot tougher. It also helps to decrease muscle tension and might even help enhance athletic performance. Some massages rooted in TCM also utilize other mind-body practices like visualization, meditation, and deep breathing to calm the nervous system. It can also help to lower the body's stress response. So acupressure, which is a type of massage therapy that's also called Tai Chong in TCM, is beneficial not only for liver health, but also for reducing stress. Tai Chong is believed to stimulate a key point on the liver channel meridian, located at the top of the foot, that is related to emotional trauma and negative energies, such as resentment, bitterness, worry, anxiety, and depression. Releasing these negative feelings can help lower the body's fight or flight response, which has significant benefits like reduced blood pressure, improved sleep, more energy, less muscle tension, and more. Acupuncture and Tai Chi can also be very helpful for managing stress, and Tai Chi is a type of Qigong exercise that's considered a mind-body practice because it combines the principles of martial arts with controlled breathing and focused attention. The spiritual dimension of Tai Chi, focus on turning attention inward and quieting of the mind, can help prevent cortisol levels from rising and improve someone's overall sense of well-being. Similar to yoga or meditation, a study published in the International Journal of Behavioral Medicine found that Tai Chi is an effective natural stress reliever that can have positive effects in patients dealing with anxiety or depression. So using TCM, is it for you? Truly, it's a personal decision. People use TCM for anything from carpal tunnel syndrome to lowering stress. Sometimes they use it along with Western medicine, and it may be a good choice for you if you have a lot of different symptoms with no clear cause, a need to treat side effects from drugs, and you've tried Western medicine but didn't get the results you were looking for, or you want to prevent illness. In general, doctors suggest you don't use it to totally replace Western medicine. Research and interest in TCM is on the rise, and you can also find many leading healthcare centers like the Mayo Clinic, Cleveland Clinic, and Johns Hopkins offering TCM practices such as acupuncture and herbal treatments. So, final thoughts on traditional Chinese medicine. Traditional Chinese medicine is a natural, holistic medicinal system that originated in ancient China thousands of years ago and is still practiced throughout the world today. TCM practitioners use herbal medicines, mind and body practices like Tai Chi, acupuncture, massage therapy, and nutrition to help patients of all kinds, including those with chronic pain, fatigue, headaches, infertility, and hormonal imbalances. In the West, TCM is primarily considered to be a complementary health approach, which means it's best utilized when working with a physician and addressing other aspects of health like diet and exercise. So I hope this presentation has helped you to understand a little bit more about TCM and the ideas behind it and what the effects of using it can be. I want to thank you for your time. And you can contact us via telephone at 1-416-798-0888, by email at inf.ca@infinitus-int.com, on our Facebook page at Infinitus Innovations Canada, on Instagram, Infinitus in Canada Official, or on our YouTube, which is Infinitus Canada. Thank you so much for your time today, and I hope that you have a fantastic day.